red Manthey. Have a good night.
50th anniversario.
Let's get into our supercar yoga. So take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Let's get started with that. That's a familiar car down there. So if you guys look down the channel, that is a GT3 Lusso with catback Novatec exhaust. We went to a Ferrari event in that exact GT3 Lusso. I'm gonna do some laps, see what we can find, and I'm gonna switch to my big lens, you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep the comments positive, and okay, there's the Toys Auto Art RS6 that I so love that thing. Awesome wheels. It's got the Senna badge. Shout out to Toys Auto Art, super nice guys.
Sorry, okay.
I can film for so long with this lens. If my arms will allow me. I'm still filming it.
But you can barely.
No way. I just posted this the other day. GT3 Touring in shark blue. It's gorgeous. John is back in the GT3 Lusso. Some ladies being a Karen.
Spicy.
Damn, check that purple Manthey spec. Wow. It's the first one I've seen that's not like black or red. Okay guys, so we just went to go do some Hot Wheels hunting at the Canadian Tire. Came out the door and found this 911 3.2 Targa. That is absolutely stunning. That color is, it's beautiful. I'm literally at a loss for words. The spec is absolutely on point. Oh, is it yours? Oh. Hey Gene, super nice guy. Have a good night, man. What a beautiful Targa. Wow. Purple STO. And just to top it all off, another sick old school Porsche, because that's the type of night it's been. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Supercar Specifics. It's going to be a good day because the subway didn't smell.
That's a good
Starbucks bad breath and McDonald's farts. So, as you guys know, this is my good buddy Ethan. He just got back from Israel. We got Revved Up Films filming. Thank you for that, my friend. And Ethan has kindly brought me a gift for the channel.
From back home.
From Israel, so this is a big...
Sometimes really good.
I've been dying to see what this is.
There you go.
Oh my god, thank you, my friend.
But I told you the...
No way. Whoops. Dude, it's the Fast and Furious Hot Wheels. So it's got the DB. Here, check it. Can you see that? Dude, that is amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. Give me a hug. Thank you so much to Ethan and his girlfriend. And okay, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll put a link to Ethan's and Revved Up Films links in description. And enjoy the content. Keep the comments positive. And let's get on with it. It's Easter Good Friday.
Yes.
And happy Easter to you all. I hope you all are spending time with your families. And enjoy. Peace. Sorry I'm doing this one-handed, you guys, but it's okay, it's okay. Orange 720, got the 570. We got a Rivian right in the back there, but sick. We also have 6 cars with us, so go give that guy a follow. He does some crazy content from JDM to Hypercars, you guys. Go check him out. But that's pretty nice. What do you think of the Rivian?
They're actually not nice looking.
It's not bad, eh? R1S. They're nice. Oh, dude, look at that spec. I've never seen that one. Rear wheel drive. Orange calipers. Good spec. Nice guy. Okay guys, so I just wanted to mention really quick, we're gonna start off with the Manthey Racing GT3. Unfortunately, my microphone stopped working while I was doing my intro, so today's a pretty rough day. They closed the subway, so I had to get on a shuttle bus, which was insane, but Manthey Racing is an aftermarket tuning company for Porsche. They work directly with Porsche. We've seen a Manthey Racing car on this channel before, with the GT2 RS 25 Club Sport. Manthey Racing has a lap record at the Nürburgring with their GT2 RS. Unfortunately, it didn't count because it wasn't a production car, it was aftermarket. But this particular 992 GT3, they're rare. You have to send your car to Germany. You get the carbon disc wheels, as you'll see, more carbon fiber, lighter weight, and a bigger tune, and you basically get a really, really fast 992 GT3. Day 3 of Easter weekend, and let's get to it, you guys. It's so sick. Talk about JDM. Wow. This AMG is the most baller thing ever. Wow. Look at the wheels. That's so sick. Wow, dude, matching monoblocks. What's up? That's fire. That is sick. Tech art. My second tech art car today. Sorry, I was eating it, so I wasn't ready. We got some buddies from France. Just met them, super nice guys. But we also have a Urus. It's not a Performante, but it's a Fluco Pearl. Ruby Stone Red GT3. Holy sh! Oh my god. Ruby Stone Red. Sorry. I wasn't ready for that. It's okay, no, you're fine. It's my buddies from France. Ruby Stone Red GT3. GT500, yes! With the track pack. No, not track pack, but still so good. Oh yeah, no, track pack. There goes Lambros and the Aventador S. Or I mean Ultimate. So sick. Okay guys, do I have a treat for you? I haven't seen this forever. The Lambros Ultimate. I forget the name of this color, but the spec check is obviously, it's in Verde Titan, I think, with the orange striping, Ultimate. This thing is gorgeous. I was just about to head out. I'm gonna shoot it real quick and then I'm off, you guys. Here goes the Ultimate. Okay guys, I was literally trying to get home because the subways are still closed and I still have to get on the buses and deal with that, but another 992 GT3 with silver wheels, which is beautiful. So it's Porsche heavy weekend, but this is gorgeous. I'm gonna shoot it real quick and then I'm off for the night, you guys. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. This sounds like a monster. Oh! Gee, Mach 1. Obviously straight pipe. 50th.